切手切手切手 means stamp. In Japan, when you want to send something to your friends, you have to buy a stamp and stick the stamp on your postcard or on your letter or on your envelope. So they can take your the things, your postcard or your package to the destination that you want to send. So the stamp in Japanese they call kite. So if you want to know about where you can buy the stamp, you can say like 切手はどこで買いますか？切手はどこで買いますか？ Which means where can I buy a stamp? この切手はいくらですか？この切手はいくらですか？ Which means how much is this stamp? その切手は200円です。その切手は200円です。Which means that stamp is 200 yen. After you buy the stamp, you want to stick the stamp on your postcard. So how to say? You can say in Japanese like this. はがきに切手を貼ります。はがきに切手を貼ります。Which means I stick a stamp on the postcard. Or you can say 鈴木さんは手紙に切手を貼ります。鈴木さんは手紙に切手を貼ります。Which means 鈴木さん sticks a stamp on the letter. Or you can say the envelope is mean the 封筒、right? 封筒に切手を貼ります。封筒に切手を貼ります。Which means stick the stamp on the envelope. 封筒に切手を貼ってください。封筒に切手を貼ってください。Which means please stick a stamp on the envelope.